Looking for the best outdoor dog houses? In this video we look at some of the top 3 outdoor dog houses on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. Number 3. Suncast DH350 Dog House. Vinyl doors included. For dogs up to 100 pounds, vents provide air circulation, removable roof for easy cleaning. Crown floor with channel around inside edge to capture fluids and keep pet dry. Pros: can hold dogs up to 100 pounds. Comes with letters for name personalization on front doors. Built-in vents allow air circulation throughout house. Cons: plastic could be thicker and sturdier. Roof can be difficult to assemble. Bottom line: this exceedingly popular dog house showcases an extra-large design with supremely adorable features. Number 2. Petmate, Barnhome 3 Dog House. Rear ventilation to promote airflow. Strong durable plastic. Easy to assemble with no tools. Easy to clean, just rinse with water. Pros: available in either red or white. Barn shape offers weather protection for your pup. Sizes available for small, medium, and large dogs. Durable plastic. Cons: no insulation for colder weather. Dimensions appear incorrect as stated on website. Bottom line: customers wanting a no-nonsense, reasonably priced dog house should check out this highly rated option. Number 1. Petmate, Indigo Dog House. Roof ventilation allows for comfortable airflow for pets inside the house. Heavy-duty construction provides insulation to keep pets comfortable on hot and cold days. Microban antimicrobial product protection helps prevent the growth of stain and odor-causing bacteria. Extended, offset doorway helps shield pets from wind and rain. Pros: thick, durable plastic offers fantastic insulation in colder weather and cooling in warmth. Roomy design fits most dogs well. Raised floors ensure ground stays dry. Cons: a few customers wished the product were a little larger for extra-large dogs. Bottom line: recognized for its superior temperature control and build, this popular model is sure to keep your pet comfortable. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.